Okay, good morning friends. I am Biswajit and in front of me is Anshuman and you are watching Two Men Two Bikes. So it's 11:30 and we are currently heading towards Hub for Youth.
So Hub for Youth is basically an amusement park, and there are quite a lot of stuff to be done there, such as go-karting, mudslinger. Mudslinger is basically some off-road riding, rock climbing, archery shooting, rifle shooting, and other stuffs.
So it looks like an amazing view, Anshuman. Why don't we stop here for a moment?
Yup, let's stop here. Let's take some photos. Alright, so we have reached Hub for Youth. Let's get inside. Okay, so these are the karts, go-karts. I wonder whether I'm gonna fit in this or not. That's a 270cc engine.
Don't let this one garam, okay?
Okay. That is. Okay, Vishwaji is going in that one. I'm going in this one. I wonder how am I gonna fit. Okay, I managed to fit in this. He's going to refill that one. Biswajit's. These are racing tires, completely flat. I mean, no grip in that one. I guess these are slick tires. Yup. He's going to put some fuel in mine. I think that much fuel is enough for. He literally added 0 fuel, I guess. I mean, yep. That's the starting key. So right now we are going to do some practice laps.
3 laps.
3. Yep, 3 practice laps so that we can warm up the tires well. Oh.
8 feet.
And he's give the accelerator man a bit. Gurr. Oh, nahi chayega. And that's Biswajit off.
अरे बाप रे, स्टीयरिंग बहुत हार्ड.
Okay.
Don't accept that.
And I am also off. Okay, this vibrates quite a lot. Oh fuck. oh shit. Wait a minute, wait for me. Oh fuck. Okay, actually this is very very scary to ride. I mean it bounces quite a lot. The steering wheel well. Okay. Kapeta!
Oh boy, it's jumping around. Monsoon, jaldi आ.
Wait for me, man. Wait for me. I'm fucking scared in this. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. 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 This shit is going really far. Oh shit. 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 Mine is like. On this way. Yep. Thank you, man. This should actually wait for me. I'm coming to you. He's going to get inside. He's going to take that line. Yep, I guessed it. Come on, man. Man, mine is not pulling anymore. Oh man, I'm losing him. He just drifted right there. Oh shit. Come on, come on, go, go. Come on, yes, man. Come on. Oh. That was a great overtake. I missed my braking right then. Amshuman is actually very okay. I drifted again. This is fun. It is very, very fun. It is very tiring. It is fucking tiring. Yes. That is it. I'm way far ahead. Okay. I have lost my edge. Amshuman is just going away like anything. He is actually a great driver and I have to accept it. Okay, I went wide. Woo. Era tudo fastest double apex ଥିଲା ବୋଧେ टायर टा कि पूरा टेंशन दे दूँ अरे fuel cap fell down fuel cap पड़ गया fuel cap था हाँ